In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fuse Brainrots here in Plants vs. Brainrots. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Now, first things first, you are going to need to use the rebirth at least once. Luckily, this is part of the tutorial, so you just place that Brainrot in here. And after doing so, in jumping on it, you'll see this little rebirth menu over in the left. From here, open this up and you'll see the amount of money required. Just keep in mind, those Brainrots must be placed on platforms, not just setting your inventory. From here, you'd need to go ahead and grab whatever plant you would like. Keep in mind, it does need to be a grown plant, not just a seed. So pick up your Brainrot and then go ahead and go to this fuse machine over here. Place your plant into the first slot, and you'll see which Brainrot is actually required to fuse it with here. That Brainrot into the second slot, and then if you head to the bottom of the machine, you'll have an option to fuse it. You just gotta confirm it by pressing yes, and you'll be good to go. Once it's done, that new Brainrot's going to be added to your inventory. Just keep in mind, if your Brainrot does have a variant like gold, it is going to lose that variant when it is fused. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That's how you can use the fuse machine here in Plants vs. Brainrots. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.